Hello everybody, my name is Alex Reebsane, and today I will be walking you through the installation and first time setup of Bitdefender Endpoint Security for Windows. Before you begin, you should have received an email like the one pictured here and selected the link for the Windows installer. Once you've downloaded the Windows installer, you click on the Bitdefender icon in order to launch it. As soon as the installer launches, you will be met with a small window displaying a download progress bar. After the installer has completed the download, you will be prompted to allow Bitdefender to make changes to your device. Once you select Allow, you will be met with a slightly larger window while the installer completes the installation of Bitdefender. It's important to note that if you currently have any other types of VPN or security software, it may prompt you to remove those before installing Bitdefender. After the installer has finished working, you will be met with the following screen saying that the installation is complete. From this point, you'll want to click Finish to close the window and then launch Bitdefender Console. You can do this either through the Start menu or just by searching for the application itself. When the application opens, you will be met with this screen. Disregard the "You are at risk" message initially, as it has not initialized the firewall nor completed a scan of your system yet. Once you're on the dashboard, you will want to select the scan icon and then select full scan. Now you will see full scan has popped up in the event log as well as a progress percentage. And as you can see, the "You are at risk" message has gone down to 1 issue found. Now, this issue will simply be that a full scan has not yet been completed and should go away after the scan finishes. After the scan is completed, you will be met with this message saying you are protected, this system is safe. At this point, you can now close this window and Bitdefender will continue working in the background. If you wish to run subsequent scans on your system at any point in time, you can open the Bitdefender portal, click on the scan link, and choose to either run a quick scan or a full scan. The quick scan takes significantly less time than the full scan, however it is less thorough.